Go Filipino Cinema and the Phil-Am Film Collective. For Enrique, leading man or character actor?
Interesting. Both. Both. I have to choose one.
Yeah.
Ngayon, siguro character right now. In my state right now. And the things I want to do, siguro character. That'd be interesting. It's hard, man. Both eh. Both.
And how does it feel to be making your comeback as a solo actor in this film?
It feels great. It feels great. I just can't believe na, sabi ko ever since before, gusto ko ng solid adventure movie and to be able to do it, it just feels good. It feels great. Even my mom, she didn't even know what I was thinking, what's your next project? Basta I'm not Big Bird. Huh? What? Basta I'm not Big Bird. So, ayun. But, hopefully after she watches it, she'll be like, alright, I kind of get
it.
You're like your dad. So, alam mo yun. But yeah, she's a good sense of humor din naman.
Pero
Yeah.
will you be open to doing a film with a leading lady again?
Of course,
In the future.
my doors are always open. Yeah. Hanapin na yung susi, pero joke lang. No, yeah, I'm always open naman. But so the moment, I'm really choosing the stuff that I've always wanted to do.
And you've never done before.
Yeah, kasi lahat, marami na po na rin ako nagawa. But yeah, I want to do things that excite me this time.
Right.
Something different that I have never done.
For Pepe this time, from Adrian. Pepe, are you still there? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Kanina nag-cellphone ka na eh.
Sorry.
Kala mo, nakabuton ka dito. Nakikita namin galaw mo.
Tingin mo lang sa mata ko nakagano.
Okay, Pepe, in a recent interview, you shared your experiences from being burnt out a few years ago. How are you now managing finding the balance with continuing to work while making time for rest?
I make sure my one whole day rest ako in a week. Yan, very important yun. Reset. Kailangan ko ng reset day.
Parang kulang daw yung isang araw eh, sabi ni Ken.
Actually, pag kasing iyaman ko na si Ken, mga 3
Hindi.
days.
Pero sinasabi ko, siyempre, dalawa na yung anak mo. Siyempre, you wanna spend time with them din naman, diba?
Tama naman yun.
Para sa akin, parang kulang isang araw lang with your kids, with your babies.
That's right.
Totoo. Siguro nagkataon lang ngayong mga susunod na buwan, nagkasunod-sunod. So, hopefully, after nitong, kasi gano'n naman kami sa showbiz, sometimes may trabaho ka, sometimes wala.
Correct.
Maximizing now, and then by June, finally siguro makakapag, 2 weeks to 1 month of rest when vacation.
Good. Pero ako yan, bro. Sila yung reason mo ngayon, yung mga babies mo. So, God bless, brother.
Thank you, brother. Love you.
Love you too.
Thank you, Pepe. This time, it's from Jay from Certified Kapamilya. For Ken, this project is one of a kind with an interesting premise. Anong naramdaman mo or what was your reaction when you first time you read the script?
Genius. Brilliant. Joke lang. It is something that kasi sabi ko nga, ang dami na nagpipitch sa amin ng mga projects. And sobrang dami na.
Marami kang script sa bahay?
NDA, so no. Wala na. But yeah, marami po nagpadala din. We read through it and parang, it's the same. It's same but different, you know what I'm saying? Ang hirap i-explain, but it wasn't really something that we were looking for, like something that excites us na something, oh my gosh, parang kakaiba talaga to. And something that it just, excites me. When I saw it pa lang, oh my gosh, yes, imagination ko pa lang mangyayari. Parang wow, sobrang enjoy ito.
Napipicture mo na siya kaagad.
Super, yeah.
You said something very Thai. Same but different.
Yeah, same but
Diba?
different. Yeah.
Same but different. Okay, for Red, kilala ka na as one of the premier stand-up comedians na nagki-cater sa intelligent audience. Mostly mga young professionals. Sa pagsabak mo sa pelikula, what do you think is more difficult? Scripted comedy in a movie or live stand-up comedy?
Oh man. Sobrang
No,
hirap.
totoo yun Kasi
Oh.
sometimes, nakapansin ko, when you take out a talent from a platform kung saan siya sanay
Yeah,
na sanay, naiiba
Yes.
pag nilalang mo sa pelikula. So, in your case.
Nung mga unang time na, kasi konti pa lang yung projects ko, so yung mga una parang very ilang ako na kung kailan ba ako pwedeng humirit, kailan ba ako pwedeng bumanat. Kaya ito parang, ito yung pinaka, I think, na-enable ako na environment sa set. So ngayon masasabi ko na siguro kung nakadepende sa cast, sa director, sa staff, sa klase ng project, I guess. Mahirap mag-stand-up comedy. Talaga, honestly, isa sa mga pinakamahirap na ginagawa talaga. Pero kasi, matagal ko na siyang ginagawa. I've been doing it since I was 18. Eh. So, parang para sa akin, ito na yung bagong challenge ng career ko. Which is trying to translate my comedy into screens. So, kabado ako actually. Kabado ako actually, pero sana mag-translate well.
Pero Red, di ba like nag-act ka na before movies?
Yes. I was in Juilliard for I was nag-act ako before pero yun nga parang I wasn't quite as enabled as this time. Kasi parang sa sulat pa lang si Jomang kasama ko rin mag-stand up. Sasabihin niya sa akin parang, "Uy, baka may suggestion ka, pwede natin ilagay dito." So
I was about to
aga
ask,
pa lang.
may ganon, may
Yeah.
collaboration, Joma?
Yes, dagdag ko lang dun sa kanina na nakaka-enhance talaga ng comedy is yung collaboration.
Yes.
So, kaya rin nung sumama ako sa set, every time meron silang hindi maintindihan, hindi nila alam kung paano i-execute,
Tama.
nagtatanong sila sa akin. Tapos kami rin, ano ba pwede natin gawin para ma-enhance yung comedy dito? So yun, tulungan talaga. And not only from the actors and the writers and direct. Also pati yung mga staff namin, yung mga ADs, yung mga script code. May mga ambag din talaga. Kasi pag comedy talaga, mas nakakatawa kapag lahat natatawa. Di ba?
Yes.
So yung punchlines dito, Y2K or now?
Ano sabihin ng
Year 2000.
Year 2000.
Year 2000 yung setting, pero yung mga punchlines, medyo, I would say na medyo timeless.
Okay.
Kasi yun nga, pwedeng kahit anong taon siya sabihin.
Ano siya, di ba sinasabi R16? Pero kasi when you do stand-up ko or when you do comedy, usually ang impulse pag sinabing bastos or adult, usually parang nakasalalay sa mga buzzwords na, alam mo yun, na mga bastos, sabihin mo yung mga bastos na words. Pero ito kasi talaga may punchline siya eh. So hindi lang siya nakarely on being bastos eh. Talagang totoo siyang jokes, totoo siyang sketches, totoo siyang gags. So maganda siya guys. Panoorin nyo, araw-araw, twice a day. Thank you.
Not to spoil and not to preempt, even yung mga scenes na hindi nyo inaakala nakakatawa.
Oo, totoo.
So
Nakagulat.
yung may abangan kayong mga eksena na WTF kayo.
That
Paano nangyari
scene
yun?
in, yung nasa trailer, yung, you need to tell them the truth. Yung eksena na yun, abangan nila. Yung ducks scene, yun yung...
Ayo,
ducks.
grabe yun.
I think it adds yung texture ng 90s and porn industry. Pero yung Friends going into a comedy of errors of adventure is timeless.
Yes.
Yung react nila talagang, ba't tayo napunta dito? It's
Yes.
that.
I have a very interesting question. Since you said that the setting was Y2K, 90, parang gano'n, no? Parang crossing that line, no? Hindi ko alam kung ang tamang term ba is taboo or parang big deal pag ang mga actors nagkakaroon ng frontal nudity that time.
Kasi
Dito ba, did you have that?
yung tema namin is porn industry eh.
Porn eh, di ba?
Kasi
Oo eh.
they were stuck into a porn ring dahil kamukha niya porn actor. So definitely you will have all kinds of,
Exposure.
I think yan yung kailangan nilang abangan sa Big Bird, yung kung may nudity or what. But if there's something that we can assure our audience, if ever not there would be some things that you will see, there's always context. Hindi namin siya nilagay doon just for shock
Exactly.
value.
Oo,
We
hindi lang
wanted to
ka-shock.
put it there for the comedy, for the fun, and also to the intention of wanting to teach something. Because
Right.
again, comedy, you're gonna laugh, but you're also gonna learn something with the Birdcada.
And yun nga dahil sa dinagdag ni Lilith yung sa Y2K. Si Lilith kasi yung na-experience yun. Kami nung mga panahon na yung mga bata pa.
Grabe. Totoo.
Alam ni Lilith.
Di pa ako pinapanganak.
Lilith, di nanggaling sa akin, ha? Sa writer na kasama mo.
Pero
Okay.
nakatulong din na may vibe nga. Kasi
It's a good mix, yung kayong dalawa.
yung kagaguhan niya kailangan talaga.
Bumalik. Back to you, Jama. Okay, for Kukay, you kind of touched on this na kanina, no? Paano po ninyo nabuo itong I Am Not Big Bird? Ano yung nag-inspire o pinagbasehan para gawin ito? So nakwento na
Yeah.
ni Lilith kanina yung story. Janice Navida from Bulgar. Are you here, Janice?
Yes, here I'm here.
Ayun, okay.